Augmented reality displays overlay digital content in the real world. So as you're seeing and interacting with digital content, you can still see and interact with the environment around you. A common challenge with AR displays is that oftentimes virtual content can appear washed out or faint in bright environments. And this is because these are additive displays. They render content by taking in light from the environment around you and adding additional photons to the display. And without modifications, this makes darkening the real world or showing black almost impossible. But we found a way past that. Magic Leap 2's hardware and software combine to provide our dynamic dimming technology, which includes global dimming and segmented dimming features. Dynamic dimming technology is embedded into the hardware and lives in the eyepiece layer of the device. In Magic Leap 2, we introduced a new low-resolution panel that selectively subtracts photons in the environment. It's an industry-first patented technology that eliminates up to 99.7% of ambient light from the display. The global dimming feature is a tint applied over the whole display behind your digital content. It dims the environment at a single opacity value, making your content really pop. The segmented dimming feature selects specific parts of the display to be dimmed. It essentially allows you to put a darker backplate behind your content while leaving the rest of the world undimmed. This allows people to see their content more vividly and with more contrast while still maintaining the same environmental condition. Now that you know at a high level what the two types of dimming are, let's talk about how you can maximize their utility in your applications. Some of the most common use cases for the global dimming feature are immersive use cases. Use the segmented dimming feature when you still want to maintain visibility of your environment. This is best used for larger objects that are static, like images or videos, rectangular menus and panels, or multi-line text. The recommended content placement for segmented dimming is between 0.5 to 1.4 meters away. And one thing to note is when using segmented dimming, avoid applying it too aggressively to large headlocked content, as this can pose a safety risk if a user is walking around. And some more design considerations for that feature can be found in the links below. Also, global dimming and segmented dimming are separate features that can combine and interact with each other. For instance, if segmented dimming is enabled, and then we also turn on global dimming, that segmented content will appear even darker. In fact, in some user research that we did, we found that the user experience when both are mixed is actually better than high levels of segmented dimming only. We hope this helps you get started with our global dimming and segmented dimming features, and check out the links in the description below to learn more.